and the driver was one of the biggest naysayers. And he literally was coming back. He was empty. He was coming back from a job. And the lady, and we don't know whether there was sun in her eyes, whether she was on her phone, but you could see she was about to miss her turn. And with no regard, no hesitation, just turned right in front of the truck. He literally couldn't have veered. He couldn't have hit his brakes. He couldn't have done anything. The fact that we had the audio, and his first, before he even got out of the cab of the truck, his first response was, "Ma'am," because she was out of the car, "Ma'am, are you okay?" And, you know, we couldn't thank him enough for doing the right thing. He said, "You know, I looked up and said, thank God there's a camera in this truck." We have found over the period of time that we've had him in there now, eight months, whatever, that this has taken the guesswork out of it. We would have spent probably 2 months trying to retrace the incident and trying to figure out, you know, could he have done anything? Was he at fault? You know, we would have spent 2-3 months doing that. We did change the opinion of that driver. Yes, he's happy he's got a camera in his truck.